What if you are asked to find for the value of a specific term given an arithmetic sequence? Paano nyo kaya isosolve yung value? Kung gusto nyong malaman, panoorin ang video na to. So, we're still on the arithmetic sequence. So, we have the problem here for number 1. We have the arithmetic sequence of 4, 7, 10, 13. And we have to find for the 9th term. To solve for this, pwede nating i-apply itong formula. Okay? We have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. Okay? But before you have this formula, dapat alam mo muna kung paano i-identify si a sub n, si a sub 1, si n, and si d. Okay? Si a sub n, siya yung hinahanap natin na term. Okay? Si a sub 1, ito yung first term natin sa sequence. Si n, yun yung number of terms. And yung d natin, yung common difference. Okay, having this one, sige, let's try to find the values of these variables here in our given. So, we have here n first. Dahil ang hinahanap natin ay 9th term, ang n natin is 9. Okay? Yung a sub 1 natin is ano? Yung first term natin is correct. That's a 4. And for our d or yung common difference, we just have to subtract the two consecutive terms. So, let's try. 13 minus 10 is correct. That's 3. 10 minus 7 is also 3. 7 minus 4 is also 3. So, the common difference is 3. Okay, now, let's try to solve. So, our formula is a sub n. Isulat ha, dapat kabisado yung formula natin. So, we have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. Let's substitute. Ano ba yung n natin? We have 9. So, we are going to have a sub 9. Hinahanap kasi natin yung 9th term. Ano ang a sub 1 natin? We have 4 plus, ano ang n? We have 9 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 3. Okay? Now, ang kailangan natin unahin yung nasa parenthesis kasi PEMDAS tayo. So, we just copy a sub 9 is equal to 4 plus, what is 9 minus 1? Correct, that's 8 times 3. Okay? So, ang uunahin natin ay product muna ng 8 and 3. So, we have a sub 9 is equal to 4 plus, what is 8 times 3? Correct. That's 24. Okay? And then we have here a sub 9 is equal to 4 plus 24. That's correct. That's 28. So the 9th term in the sequence of 4, 7, 10, 13 is 28. Madali lang, diba? Basta sundin lang yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng steps natin. Okay? Let's have the second given. We have here 5, 11, 17, 23. Find the 11th term, okay? So, before that, let's identify first what is our n. Ano ang n natin? Ano bang hinahanap? 11th term. So, our n is 11. Okay? Nakukuha? How about our a sub 1? A sub 1 is our first term. Ano ang first term natin dyan? Okay, that's 5. And for our d, that's the common difference. So, we subtract the consecutive terms. 23 minus 17, ilan siya? That's correct. That's 6. 17 minus 11, that's also 6. 11 minus 5, that's also 6. So, our common difference is 6. Now, we have the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. Ano ang n natin? 11. So, we have a11 is equal to what is our a sub 1? We have 5 plus our n is 11, so 11 minus 1, and our d is 6. Okay? So, we have a11 is equal to 5 plus, what is 11 minus 1? That's correct. That's 10 times 6. What is 10 times 6? That is 60. So, we have a11 is equal to 5 plus 10 times 6 is 60. So, hindi na kasya. Lagay ko dito. 5 plus 60 is 65. So, we have here a sub 11, which is equal to 65. So, the 11th term in the sequence of 5, 11, 17, 23 is 65. Now, you try. Suppose you have this pattern or you have this sequence 6, 10, 14. Now, find the 12th term. Okay? Now, kung natutunan ng video na ito, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And please mga anak, like and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. Bye!